Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And for today's adventure, we have a leak coming down in the heater room. We're not sure if it's a heat line or a water line. So stay tuned and we will see you when we get to the job. There's our hole in the ceiling all the way up there. This is the vanity that's got to come out so we can expose the pipe. Guess who's helping me today?
There you go, fellas.
BR1.
Back together since '93.
I like that.
Oh, it's melting. It's better than a razor knife, though.
Yeah.
All right.
Guy just decided not to caulk vanities anymore. Look at this. How hard was this to get out?
Not hard when you have your handy tool.
Oh my God.
What do they say, Charles?
Work
Improper tools reveal the fool.
Right now I'm a fool for caulking vanities because this is insane. Too much caulk on the vanity install. A little caulk, that's crazy. Here's where the leak is downstairs, baby. It's gonna be this pipe right here.
It's right there, dude.
I got my saws all right there.
Yeah, dude, you want me?
Yeah, it's right there. We found a pipe, it's right here. And this is in that ceiling down in the heater room. So all this work to fix a one pipe behind the vanity. This is fun. Hand me the razor knife, please. Because I'm trying to break this sheetrock.
Where'd you put the razor?
We got tell everybody where where CB2 is.
Oh, he's in school, right?
CB2 is in school. Oh, guess what? Wrong location. Oh, jeez. Ay.
Why is it?
It elbows over. All right. Still behind the vanity.
That's it.
Here it is. All right, look at all these pipes. See that pipe is. Oh, there it is. Don't ever let your pipe rub against the corner of the tile because that'll happen. Let me get my pointer for the people.
Nice. Okay, where's your pointer?
Here, you hold the light.
Yes, I got the light.
Come right over my head. I want to see down here. Oh, there it is. Other side, Bill. It's squirting against the tile right there, end of the screwdriver. Cause a leak in the copper. We're going to cut it right here and down in the heater room. So now we got to shut the building off.
Ladies and gentlemen, stay in school. You don't want to be the skip.
Come on, Skippy, you're doing good. BR1, baby. Look at the caulk job above your head.
I know.
Look at it. A little too much caulk, boys. Milwaukee pack out. Going into effect. Time is money.
That's right. Improper tools reveal the fool.
That's right.
And he ain't no fool, because look at that.
Look at this. How pretty is
Take
that?
a lesson, Bernie.
And I keep all my...
You're talking to the devil. Look who just called me.
Who, Bernie?
Scott.
Oh, Scotty. See what's going on, bro?
It's about an ERA.
Yeah, tell him I'm ready. Here it is. 1/2 inch Pro Press. Battery.
Is that the same tool? You just put a different end on?
Yes.
That's the cutter.
Cutter. All right, baby, we're ready. We got the pipe located. Now let's go up under the gas line, up into the corner, which is like a 14-foot ceiling, I think. It's under the subfloor too. So I'm gonna make a precision cut right here. Cut here, Pro Press coupling, prefab at 90 to upstairs. That is the plan. Hot. Here's the main. She's off. And here we go. We're plumbing away.
Plumbing away.
Let's get the light back up in here. Like so. Let me show you something here. Here's the question. Can I get the cutter on the pipe? Bill,
Yes.
go get the sawzall.
Okay.
We're going to cut this piece of subfloor out. I got a bad bend right here. I got soft copper right here. I might be able to get right here. There's some real plaster right there.
Oh, that code's still running.
Is it really?
I've seen something.
I got the valve off. See if that meter's moving down there.
Want me to hold the pipe up there or something? Top? Will I hold tight?
I'll tell you something. I think I can get it right there. Let's pray, everybody.
Okay, here we go. My Lord.
That should be done by now. Come on, baby. Come on.
Get it?
No. Ah, there we go. Come on, baby. Bad angle. All right, here comes all the water, baby.
Nice.
What's happening here? What's happening here? Why am I getting so much water? The water's off, dude. Here's what we got. Our water meter's off, and there's no way that it's still... Is that kitchen sink still running up there? This has to be a pipe tied in before the meter, which I'm not surprised in this building. We got the water meter off, and we still got water.
When you turn the hot, that come down. But when I turn that off, you get nothing.
Hi, puppy. This is Mellow. She's being very mellow today. Yeah, go ahead. Shut it off. Shouldn't have no water at all because this building's all tied together. Oh, I'm gonna get this in there. Let me see something. Nah. Slide that tray over here.
What you do, you can cut.
Here, give me this tray. Here we go.
Nice. That's something.
Now, I want to get this out of here in one piece to reveal the leak. There it is. Where's that?
See it there.
Oh, here it is. Good eye. Right here is the leak.
Yeah.
See See where it wore against the pipe, the
Yeah.
copper? That's it. Oh, that was thick copper right there.
Yeah.
Thick copper, cheap copper. There it is. M L. We don't know how we got cold water over that side of the building. It must be a different main somewhere. But now if we shut the kitchen sink off, it doesn't mix with the hot. So we're gonna just leave that off at the faucet. Due to time constraints, we're fighting the animal. We're trying to get the shots the best we can. Where's my pencil mark?
Ladies and gentlemen, watch how he does it.
Just a piece going up. Just a piece going up. Here we go.
There's the money maker. It tells you when it's clamped.
It stops automatically.
You need
Press.
that? Okay.
Yes,
you need
sir.
the coupling?
Nah, I got one up here already.
Want me to get up there?
Yes.
Hold it? Okay.
Tell you what, bring that 90 with you. Cut a piece 6 1/4.
Yeah.
I forgot that. Ladies and gentlemen, this is one tight spot. Ah, there we go. So I pressed these, I just gotta do the coupling. And clean it up with sandpaper, okay? BR1 helping me today.
BR1
CB2
is
in school.
an AB1 will
In
soon
school.
be here.
We ready, dog?
Yeah.
Is that pipe straight? Good enough, right?
We want it over, right? Want this wire out of here?
If you can make the connection, go ahead. I'll press it, then I'll come up. Hey, Bill,
Yeah.
here's what I'll do. I'll do the coupling, then I'll come up. And then all the work's up there then, okay?
Okay.
Hold on, baby, now. Hold on, baby, now. We straight?
Yeah.
All right. Stand tight. This way, I'll come up and help you. Now we just want to make sure the fitting is all the way down. Solid on. Solid on. Now, let's get the water out this way. Watch this.
Shim.
Just gotta get the going.
Hold the pipe.
Just like that, yeah, over my head. There you go. Oh, there we go. Make sure they pull off. Put it in there, yeah. It just brings the copper to where it gotta go.
Here we go, the money maker. Ladies and gentlemen, now we hope it don't leak.
The fun part, putting everything back together. It's on, so I opened up real slow so it doesn't shake up any debris on the inside of the pipe and clog up all the aerators.
See, when I turn that back on, I should open one.
Oh man, real slow, and pump spout can't get clogged.
Oh, got it.
This way, shower heads will clog easy. I always like to use the tub. We're on, what, an 1/8? So now put it on all the way. So it's already been on. Pressure's already built. Now it's full pressure.
Now look what you got.
There it is, Bill. We're all done. No leaky.
No leaky. Okay. CB2, keep studying.
And there goes another satisfied customer.
You hear that, AB1?
There you have it. Mr. Rogers stepped in for CB2. We tried to get the best shots we could under them conditions. Really tough situation between floors and up high. So I'm hoping I got some good shots for you guys. And it all worked out. But you can see how a little copper rub on a corner of a brick or a corner of a tile over time will rub a hole in a pipe. And that's what caused that leak. And I got the shot on the video of the pipe itself. Hopefully that turned out too. Until then, we will see you at the next one. Have a great night.